Hi guys, my table project, dining table project, it's moving on. Frame is ready. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is some links in the description of this video. Next I will start to build this top. It's going to be a very interesting project. At the moment I'm actually driving to get some wood. I was thinking something kind of special. This table, it's going to be 1 meter wide. To this middle part, to the other end, there's coming these kind of pop-up sockets for electric plugs and some USB and wireless charging stuff. For those I have to drill holes. I don't know yet how I'm going to do those holes. I'm not sure if I have some tools for that. I think it's not going to be a problem. It's going to be interesting. This middle part, it should be minimum 25 centimeters wide, maximum 30 because I want to get this through my thickness planer. 30 centimeters is the maximum for my thickness planer. This middle part of this table, I will make it using different kind of wood than these the rest of this top. Maybe a little bit darker wood. I hope I can find something. I still don't know how thick I want to make this table, but I want to make it, I don't know, 25, 30, 35, 40 millimeters thick. Yeah, this part, it's going to be interesting. I think the main wood for this tabletop, it's going to be something like this. Of course, these are rounded, so I have to take these through my thickness planer, but that's anyway. But now I have to find something similar but different color. I think I found it. These are pretty cheap. Teak, that's a little bit darker wood. I like this color. I can take these through my thickness planer and it's going to be still thick enough. Now I have 5 of these, it's enough. Some of these were pretty heavy. I think there's more moist in some of these, so I try to pick up the lightest ones. Maybe this is not meant to use in something like this, but I don't care. I will try. I will try. I think I made a mistake. I like the color of this wood. I like the thickness of this wood. And those are 70 millimeters, and I have to get those through my thickness planer, of course. So I bought 5 of those. I can easily make 28, 30 centimeter long piece when I glue those together. I don't know about this moist. Some of those were so heavy. I tried to pick these light ones. Those were cheap, so I'm not going to lose that much if this doesn't work. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Next I'm going to glue these woods together, and I'm going to use Bisquit. This is actually my first time ever that I use these, and first time ever that I use this machine. I adjust this how deep it will go, and I'm going to use these ones. This is P20. This is just that I can line these up a little bit easier. I think it's just not give any strength to this. Table was actually just, or my room here was just enough that I can fit these here. This is now the last wood, and this is the second battery. The small one, it lasted about 3.5 of these woods. So I really recommend to use these bigger ones in these kind of machines. I think these smaller ones are good for the screwdriver or something like that, but yeah, this big one is good. This is pretty okay machine when you learn how to use it. It's getting much faster. Oh, am I going too slow? Should be a little bit faster here. Luckily this Type 3 glue will give me a little bit more time, but I have a photo shoot here tomorrow. I hope I can get this out of here before that. We'll let it now dry overnight, and then we will see. Is it good or very bad? Looks good. Looks good. But it's not. It's not straight. It's not straight. Like this, it's pretty good all the way. It won't work as a table like that. It's a shame. I really like how this would look. All these textures and everything. I really like it. I can't save it. Maybe I can save it if I will throw it to the lake for a few days, pick it up and try to clamp it straight. Let it dry for weeks. Or maybe. I'm not going to lose hope yet. Could I maybe do something? I think I will try something pretty crazy.